They say hard work pays off, and that's especially true when it comes to your career. If you want to earn more money and accelerate your career growth, then you need to focus on developing skills that are in high demand, namely hard skills. Hey everyone, hard skills are specific, measurable, and teachable abilities that can be acquired through experience and education. They are often related to technical or professional tasks and can be contrasted with soft skills, which are personal traits that enable you to interact with others in a productive way. To make more money and get ahead in your career, you need to focus on developing these 6 hard skills. From communication and problem solving to computer programming and financial literacy, these skills will help you stand out and make a real impact in the workplace. In this video, we will show you how to develop each of these skills and put them into use in your career. Watch and learn how to start earning more today. 1. Blockchain developer. As a blockchain developer, you'll be responsible for developing and maintaining the distributed ledger that is the backbone of the cryptocurrency industry. In this role, you will work with a team of developers to create new applications and features for blockchain systems, as well as troubleshoot and optimize existing code. You will also be heavily involved in researching new technologies and identifying ways to improve the performance and security of blockchain systems. As a blockchain developer, you can command a high salary, with the average developer earning $100,000 per year. With your expertise in high demand, you will be able to negotiate a generous salary and benefits package. In addition, many blockchain developers also receive bonuses and equity in the companies they work for, which can further increase your earnings potential. In order to become a blockchain developer, you will need to have a strong background in computer science and experience with coding languages such as Solidity and JavaScript. You will also need to be well-versed in mathematics and cryptography, as these concepts are essential to understanding how blockchain systems work. 2. Content writer. Being a content writer means having the ability to capture an audience's attention and communicate a message that resonates. It's also about being able to write in a way that is engaging and informs the reader. Great content writers have a knack for understanding what people want to read and see, and then delivering on that promise. They know how to capture an audience's attention and communicate a message that resonates. Content writers can make a lot of money if they have the right skills. They can easily make 6 figures per year, and some even make 7 figures. The sky's the limit for content writers who know how to market themselves and their abilities. It is important to have strong writing skills and the ability to capture an audience's attention. Also, it is helpful to have an understanding of what people want to read and see. Content writers must also be able to market themselves in order to find high-paying clients. 3. Digital marketer. A job as a digital marketer means always being on the lookout for new trends and strategies. As a digital marketer, you'll be able to adapt quickly to change and be ahead of the curve. You'll also need to be able to think creatively and come up with new ideas that will help your company or clients succeed. Being a digital marketer requires a lot of hard work and dedication, but it can be very rewarding. A digital marketer's salary can vary depending on their experience and the company they work for, but typically, they make between $50,000 and $100,000 per year. A digital marketer needs to be able to use computers and the internet for their job. They should be able to research and analyze data, as well as create and manage content. Additionally, they need to be able to work with people and understand communication strategies. Finally, they should be able to think creatively and come up with new ideas. 4. Full-stack developer. As a full-stack developer, you have the ability to develop and to manage both the front end and back end of a website or application. This means that you can create the user interface and user experience, as well as the database and server-side logic. Full-stack developers are in high demand because they can create complete web solutions on their own. This saves businesses time and money, as they don't need to hire separate teams for each stage of development. Full-stack developers are paid very well for their expertise and skills. One website calculates that the average salary for a full-stack developer in the United States is $108,177 per year. A full-stack developer needs to be proficient in a wide range of programming languages and tools. They must have a strong understanding of how web applications work and are able to code in both front-end and back-end languages. In addition, full-stack developers need to be able to configure servers, set up databases, and create user-friendly interfaces. 5. Data engineer. As a data engineer, your job is to design, build, and maintain the systems that enable businesses to make data-driven decisions. In other words, you're responsible for ensuring that the data the companies rely on is accurate, accessible, and timely. To do this, you need to have a strong understanding of both business and technology. You need to be able to understand the goals of the business and then design systems that will help you meet those goals. Additionally, you need to have strong technical skills in order to build and maintain these systems. Data engineering is a highly lucrative career path, as businesses are increasingly reliant on data to make decisions. If you have the right skill set, you can command a high salary and enjoy a successful career in this field. Data engineers make an average of $75,000 per year. And 6. Web developer. There are a lot of great reasons to become a web developer. Not only can you make a great salary, but you can also have a lot of control over your work environment and schedule. And thanks to the ever-growing popularity of the internet, there is always a high demand for talented web developers. Web developers usually make a good salary. In fact, web development is one of the most well-paid jobs in the tech industry. The median salary for a web developer in the US is around $70,000 per year. And if you work in a major city or for a large company, you can easily make much more than that. In order to become a web developer, you need to have strong skills in programming and web development frameworks. In addition, it is helpful to be proficient in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And of course, it is also important to be able to effectively communicate with clients and team members. As you can see, there are a lot of hard skills that can help you increase your earnings. The key is to focus on acquiring the ones that are the most relevant to the industry you want to work in and to your own strengths and weaknesses. With hard work and dedication, you can make yourself invaluable to any organization and earn a great deal of money. After that, it's up to you to keep learning and expanding your skill set so that you can continue to earn more and more money over time. So what are your thoughts on this list? Are there any other high-paying professions you would add? Tell us in the comments section below. Also, if you're new to this channel, we strongly encourage you to subscribe and click the like button. And share this video if you enjoyed it. You can also keep up with all of our most recent videos. See you in the next one.